Okay, what I'm trying to do is to get evidence of the tingling vibration in my body. This is Bonnie Calcagno. I am a gang stalking target, and I'm being hit by some kind of energy. I call it microwave radiation. Of course, I'm not an expert. I don't really know what it is. But one of the things I'm doing is I put a piece of mylar on my ankle. And I want to see if you can see the effect that the tingling and vibration in my body has on the mylar. Right, so this is what the mylar looks like on my ankle, as I'm experiencing the tingling and the vibration in my body. This is what a piece of mylar, I actually bought this to see if it can block out it when I sleep. But I just thought, as I woke up this morning, I said to myself, I've got to do a lot of experiments to see if I can show the tingling vibration in my body. And so one thing I thought, well, what if I put the mylar, which is a very thin mylar, I guess it's got some aluminum in it, I don't know, but what if I put that on my ankle? Right, it is on my ankle. And that's what it looks like when I put the mylar on my ankle. All right, now what's been happening is I live in a twin house. It's attached to another house. And we know that microwave weapons can go through walls, microwave radiation. So my theory is that this house that's been empty, that's attached to mine, it's because there's something in there. Of course, I'm surrounded by gang stalkers because that's what they do. They get your neighbors to gang stalk. So one of my neighbor gang stalkers, I believe, is in the article that Catherine Herridge wrote on microwave radiation. She said that it's a small thing that, like the size of a suitcase, you could put in, say, the empty apartment next to mine. And you also could have a remote. So I have this really nasty gang stalker that lives next to me, and I'm wondering if he has the remote and if the actual weapon is in the weapon attached to me. But I just want to show you now. This is a piece of mylar on my ankle while I'm experiencing the tingling vibration that the microwave weapon does. Now, what I could also do, because I'm going to be experimenting with different ways to see if there's something that I can use to show the tingling vibration that I'm experiencing in my body. And this is the first experiment. And in the first experiment, if I put a little piece of mylar on top of my ankle, what does it show? Well, you're looking at what it shows. I'm also, I'll tell you the truth, I was thinking of, I'm not going to say it until I actually do it. So I'm thinking of buying something else that might be able to, I'm trying to get evidence of the microwave radiation that I experience in my body. And the first way I'm trying is to put a piece of mylar on my ankle. Does a piece of mylar, it's a very thin piece of mylar, it's got a little, I think it has a little aluminum in it, but does it show the tingling vibration going on in my body? So this is experiment 1, trying to get evidence of a microwave attack. Maybe it's not microwave energy. I'm thinking it feels like electricity flowing through your body, like this tingling vibration. So maybe it's just like a heightened EMF that they're using. I don't know what they're using. I know that they want me to move out of my house. I know I can't afford to move out of my house. So unless I win the lottery, I'm here. And they're going to continue torturing me. So this is the mylar experiment. If I put a piece of mylar on my ankle, does it show the tingling vibration that I'm feeling in my body? Piece of mylar on my ankle. Does it show the tingling vibration going on in my body? Does the mylar show the tingling vibration going on in my body? Now, of course, if they ever stop it, I could do the experiment again, and I can put the mylar over my ankle when I'm not experiencing tingling vibration. But this is what it looks like when I'm experiencing tingling vibration. All right, so I'm going to end this experiment. So this was experiment 1. If I put a piece of mylar on my ankle, is there any indication of what I'm experiencing inside my body, that tingling vibration? Do you see any indication of it? All right.